आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है और आज का vlog is about these pretty dresses from Myntra. I'm someone when my birthday month starts, I start thinking what dresses I will be wearing on my birthday. Though I wouldn't know what I'm doing on my birthday because more or less, people are surprising you and you don't know where you're gonna go for lunch, dinner, or like basically how the day is gonna be. But you know that you are going to be wearing nice cute dresses and all new and something that will make you look nice, pretty, and at the same time be comfortable. So that's exactly what I did. I went to Myntra and I started looking up the dresses and I ordered for these top 5 dresses, and I was amazed with these 5 dresses when I received them. And trust me, you know what? It was supposed to be delivered like 4 to 5 days after I placed the order, but I got it in like 2 days. So it was a pleasant surprise. The moment I received the dresses, I was like, I need to make a vlog about these dresses for you guys because they're something you should definitely not miss. And if you like any of these dresses and you wish to check them out, go to the description box, click on the link and check it out and order ASAP. They're totally worth it. Also, before starting off guys, I want to let you know that these dresses are timeless dresses. They are classics. So it is not following some trend or they're gonna get outdated. No, they're never gonna get outdated. So I think even more the reason that you should check out these dresses and should have them in the wardrobe, because there are times where you're like, oh my god, what do I wear? These are the dresses that you could just and you're gonna be sorted. So the first dress that I will rank number 1 in the top 5 is this dress that I'm wearing. It's a shift dress. It's from Vera Moda, originally costing 2,999. That's almost 3,000 rupees. I got it for 1199. That's 1,200 rupees. I love this lace around this sleeve. I love the pattern of the sleeve. The bell is just perfect. Like when you drop your hand, it looks so nice. And the dress is like really flowy. This is a perfect brunch dress. I really like the comfort for this. If you are somebody who doesn't really like the straight fall-up dresses, you can sport it with a belt, you can wear it with wedges, with heels, and it's just perfect. You feel so nice when you wear this dress. This is a perfect brunch color and brunch flow. The flow is lovely. Number 2 is a timeless dress. That is this A-line dress from Vera Moda. Originally costing 3,999. That's 4,000 rupees. I got it for 1,399. That's 1,400. And it's beautiful. It's an A-line dress and I love the sleeves. Like it's got this texture which goes like half here and half of the body, and the way it flows like a dream. When you wear it, you feel like a queen. I really love this. Though this dress is not something that you should be wearing a belt with, it is just allowed to flow, and you're supposed to flow in this dress and just flow on the floor with some nice heels. This could be in the evening. I don't mind wearing this for lunch as well. I think this could also be a little semi-formal. Color is like really not very specific to any occasion. I love that these Vera Moda dresses, though they are like transparent because it's polyester, they have the perfect lining of these dresses, which just makes it so not transparent, and you don't need to wear anything extra underneath. Like you don't need to really basically stress about it, the transparency. It's totally good. Number 3 is this A-line solid dress from Vera Moda. This is like a mix of polyester and cotton, though it feels like very solid. It's an off-shoulder dress. This was originally costing 3,499, 3,500, and I got it for 1,200 something. And trust me, this is a dress that I would love to wear, for my meetings. I would love to wear it for like a brunch, lunch. It is so nice. It is. I can wear this dress like throughout the day because it gives you a very comfortable feel since it is a mix of polyester and cotton. Looks perfect for somebody with broad shoulders because this material is not like really thin, so it is not going to give that kind of fall and make you feel very uncomfortable. The material is also very solid, so you feel solid. You don't really feel conscious about like, oh my god, how are my shoulders looking, how are my arms looking, how is my stomach looking, and stuff like that. It's just something that you wear and you feel so confident. You can wear this with a belt, you can wear this with gladiators, you can wear this with sneakers, with heels, and it will just look so gorgeous. This is number 3. It's got a self-woven design that I really liked. Number 4 is this fuchsia pink dress from Vera Moda again. This is a drop waist dress with a very nice belt, and I love the frill and the layer at the bottom. You know, it just gives you a very cute look. And this could be a nice dress for going out on a date, or even like, you know, evening-ish. You can really wear this dress. If you can see, there is this self print, looks more like emboss, which gives it a very satin kind of a look, like from the far, but it's a mix of cotton, so it is very soft and it is very comfortable. It has got a lining, so there's no transparency issues. This costs 3,000 and I got it for 1,200. Yay! I really love this dress. It's not got a deep neck, it's got more or less like a boat neck, and the cute look of this, I feel like a Barbie wearing this dress. This is like my Barbie dress from today. This is the last and the 5th dress from Vera Moda. This originally cost like 1,999, but I got it for 700 something. And this is more like a short dress. Now this dress has got a material which is like got a great fall. It's got a very lazy look on the shoulder. So it looks like ultra casual, but again it looks very smart because I like the design, and it's white, and it is something that is going to not really make me feel like I'm dressed for a particular thing, but it looks like really very smart. And you can wear it with a fanny pack in case you don't have like you're like a little broad at the bottom. Then you could wear this with a fanny pack because it'll give you a nice fit. It's just going to make you feel more comfortable. I really love this dress too, the 5th one. So guys, if you've liked the vlog and if you have liked all the 5 dresses from Vera Moda that I just showed you, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share the video if you feel it's worth sharing. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment and let me know what you would suggest as to what my next vlog should be about. Since you guys know this channel is relatively new, my older channel, that is a Marathi channel, you could go and subscribe to that too in case you understand Marathi. That's got a lot of travel content already. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope to receive loads and loads of comments from you guys that really help me understand what I am supposed to make next. Thank you so much. Keep watching Tanvi K Vlogs. Mwah.